Welcome my beautiful people. How are you doing today? Well, today we will introduce you to a place that we would normally come and get our good up callaloo and rice. Sometimes we get it with plantain, fried plantain, but today we are having it with some rice. So I am Portia Malcolm, your host, and I welcome each and every one of you to my channel. Today we're at Jerk BBQ Haven. We're on Confederation and Eglinton in Mississauga, that intersection, and you can find them right in this plaza. Yeah, we are sitting and dining. Usually we'll take and go, but today I've decided to sit and dine, and this is the meal for today. Nice. That's Andrew's meal.
And peanut punch.
It reminds me of Jamaica because I had it, but this is a good up. When I say good up, there's no meat in there. It's callaloo and rice, and it tastes so nice. And that's how good they
Don't forget the peas.
And peas, rice and peas. So if you want Jamaican meal, you come right at BBQ Haven in Mississauga, Federation and Eglinton. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let you see, you know, the whole setup.
West, near Peter Street. We're looking at live pictures right now from the scene of Top 24 video tape by C24 shows cops.
So you get your juice, you know, your different types of juice right here. They can choose Ocherios, Dunzerapal, yeah, right there. Different fruits in Jamaica. How to eat apple, right? The yellow yam. Yeah, and you know this is cashew, right? You eat the fruit up there and you roast the nut right here, and that's where you get cashew nut. My beautiful people, Sherry will be walking us through the menu for today, and this is November the 1st, so welcome to a new month and welcome to Jerk BBQ Haven. Enjoy what's on the menu.
Okay, for today we open from 11 a.m. My shift starts at 4. So basically we don't have everything right now because most of the things are out of stock right now. We sell it out. Okay. So what we have right now, we have curry chicken, real Jamaica curry chicken.
All right. I tell you,
very tasty, very nice.
All right.
You won't regret buying curry chicken. Curry chicken is one of the main menu on the board.
Yes.
And it sells very fast. We have also curry goat.
Yes.
Which is a Jamaican stuff.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Everybody loves Jamaican curry
Everybody
goat.
loves curry goat when it comes to curry goat.
There we go.
So it's very nice and tasty.
Yes.
Not too spicy.
Oh, okay.
Everyone likes spice, so it's not too spicy. Also, we have stewed chicken.
Yeah.
This is a Jamaican restaurant, so we carry most Jamaican stuff.
Right.
So this is the stewed chicken. Very colorful.
There we go. Stewed chicken.
Yeah.
It used to be my favorite, you know. I love stewed chicken. Yes.
And the most popular one that everybody likes is oxtail.
Mama, tell me.
That is one of Jamaican's favorite meal, oxtail.
Oxtail.
You won't regret buying oxtail. Cook it down with beans and a lot of nice spices, Jamaican spices. So that's the oxtail.
Yes.
Also, we have soup on the menu, which is chicken soup.
Yes.
Chicken soup is you know, on Saturday,
Oh yes.
Jamaica always want their soup. So this is one of Jamaica's favorite soup.
It looks good, man.
And it looks very nice.
Yes.
Very tasty.
You can
Very
see.
presentable.
Yes.
And this is the chicken soup.
That's the chicken soup.
Yes, that's
I can see the time well boiled out in it. Jamaican time.
Also, we have manish water. Most guys prefer the manish water because it's have a little taste to it, carry a lot of stamina. It is made up with all the goat stuff, the egg, the belly, everything. So this is my favorite soup. I don't really like chicken soup. I like the goat soup. So this is one of the soup that I really very tasty. I really go for the goat soup.
Yeah, we used to do that when we were younger. You know, as a family, everybody gathered together. They kill the goat and they kill the cow, and then goat soup.
So that's goat soup. And that's basically it. We have
hello, chef.
right here now we have veg.
Yes.
You're good.
And this is served with one of the meals.
Yes.
You mean when you buy any of the meals, you can get either steamed veg or coleslaw. And this is what our steamed veg look like.
Okay, so that's what you get with your meal.
Yeah, this is what they get with your meal. Served a plantain is a side order, so you get 4 slices of plantain.
Yes.
Choice of your meal if you want plantain. Also, we do festival and festivals. You can either get it with hearty and saltfish, or you can get it as a side order.
Okay. Yeah. I love the festival. You don't know. And there's another one that you do, fritters.
Fritters. The fritters is really out because it sells very fast.
Oh yes.
Fritters and fried dumplings.
And fried dumplings.
Yes. Those are finished already.
Yes.
Yeah, and you can get those with either ackee and saltfish or any of the meal. Stew chicken, curry chicken, if you don't want the rice. We normally serve the meal with rice and peas, steamed veg or coleslaw of your choice.
Yes.
But if you don't want the rice and peas, you either can get plain rice or you can get fried dumpling, festival or plantain. It all depends on what you need. But the standard serving is with rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Yeah.
So you can mix it up if the person wants that.
Yeah, you can mix it.
Wonderful.
And we do mixed meal too, so you can buy oxtail. We do jerk chicken. Jerk chicken is one of the most selling meal here too.
Yes.
Then next to oxtail, so you can get mixed meal. You can get jerk chicken, oxtail, or stew chicken and oxtail, anything of your choice. You can mix it up. So that's the best.
About the patty.
Oh, and the Jamaican patty.
Oh yes.
Everybody loves Jamaican patty, and this is one of the most selling dessert right now because it's just a snack. You just eat and go. You can get it with one of the nice drinks over there. You can get it with the cocoa bread, or you can buy it by itself, and it tastes very nice. We have variety of patties. We have the vegetable patty, we have chicken patty, and we have beef patty. So those are the 3 patties, 3 types of patty that we do here.
Okay, wonderful. I love that. I love the patty and the cocoa bread. So where can people find you?
Okay, we are located. This is Jerk BBQ. Mostly it's a Jamaican restaurant, but we do variety of stuff. And she also do catering as well. If you want catering, you can get catering as well. And we are at 488 Eglinton Avenue. The intersection is between Confederation and Eglinton. And you can find us at Shop 20 on Eglinton Avenue.
Wonderful. And big up Jamaica if there's anybody who wants to big up.
Okay. I'm really, my mom is back home and my siblings, so big up my mom, my sister, my brother, and have a wonderful day. God bless you all.
Okay, great. And there you have it. You must try out Jerk BBQ Haven. They have the best Jamaican stuff. It's true. So there we have it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today in checking out Jerk BBQ Haven. Yes, they're a real Jamaican restaurant. You can come and you can have a meal here, or you can take it and go. They have the gulab patty and all the other things that she said is on the menu. So try them out. I tell you, it's really good. And as I said, we got the callaloo and the rice and peas, and we're good. So check them out. Thank you for stopping by. Remember, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and welcome. And if you have always been watching my videos to the end, big up yourself. Yes, I appreciate it. And those who view but have not signed up as yet, please be a part of our community. All right, I would love to see you in our community. Comment and tell me what you like about the video. Tell me if you're going to stop by and get some real Jamaican food. Yes. So walk good. Love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.